Hey everyone, ever wonder how Australia designed some of the most impressive sports facilities in the world? Well, sit tight because I'm about to take you behind the scenes of the magic that happens at SPORTENG, Australia's leading field of play design consultancy. First off, SPORTENG isn't just any design firm. These guys literally live and breathe sports. Imagine carrying the passion from the grandstands right into an office where every measurement, every plan is aimed at crafting the perfect field for athletes. Now, what sets them apart? It's their mantra, measure twice, cut once. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a philosophy that guides everything they do. From the initial feasibility studies to the detailed 3D design work, every step is meticulously crafted to ensure that the results aren't just good, they're exceptional. And it's not just about designing, it's about building dreams. Whether it's for a local hero or an international superstar athlete, SPORTENG's designs consider every aspect. We're talking advanced engineering, precise agronomy, and even specialized irrigation systems to ensure the field is always in top form. But here's the kicker. Despite this intricate attention to detail, SPORTENG's projects are known for being on time and on budget. That's right, no unexpected delays or budget blowouts. How? It's all in their expert project management and clear on-site direction. So whether you're a budding athlete or just a sports enthusiast, knowing that there are places like SPORTENG that put so much care and expertise into every square inch of a sports field is truly inspiring. It's not just about playing the game, it's about giving athletes the stage they deserve to perform at their best. That's all for now, folks. Remember, whether on the field or in life, always measure twice and cut once. Catch you in the next one.